Welcome to the 8th episode of Nexudus Product Pulse. I'm Bruno, a sales development representative at Nexudus. And in this episode, I'll run you through one of our latest platform updates, the new floorplan editor. Say hello to the all-new Nexudus floorplan editor, your ultimate tool for designing and managing your workspace layouts with ease and precision. With our built-in editor, you can create stunning floor plans from scratch right in the admin panel. The built-in editor allows you to customize every detail, from walls, partitions, and windows to furniture and more. You can even apply background colors and images. Do you already have a floor plan guide? Upload tracing images to ensure your design is spot on and to your exact specifications. Managing your floor plan items has never been simpler. Once you've linked your floor plan items to the floor plan, you can manage contracts, bookings, and proposals. Whether you're starting from scratch or refining an existing layout, this tool has everything you need. Thank you for joining us for this exciting announcement. Subscribe to Nexudus YouTube channel for more updates and discover how we're always working to enhance your platform experience. The future of workspace design is here with Nexudus Floor Plan Editor. See you in the next episode.